082 Whiskey, passenger Pakistan 1616.
1638 Whiskey.
Tower 410, Starboard 5 miles.
Trans 9410 Cardiff, thank you. Continue approach runway 30, service wind 250 10 knots.
Copy, continue approach. Trans 9410.
Trans 9410, taxi stand 10.
Taxi stand 10, stand 9410.
Cardiff Tower, good morning, Jersey 5, Golf Tango, Embraer 195, Expansion Hotel, stand 11 for Venice, request clearance. Jersey 5, Golf Tango, Cardiff Tower, cleared to Venice, bracket 1 after departure, squawk 0553. Cleared to Venice via bracket 1 Alpha, 0553 for the squawk, Jersey 5, Golf Tango. Jersey 5, Golf Tango, read back is correct. Just say again your stand. Stand 11, Jersey 5, Golf Tango. Roger, copy next.
Foxtrot 26, somebody start the airline.
Foxtrot 26, Cardiff Tower, runway 30, clear low approach should go around, so send 26 degrees 9 knots.
Clear for to go around, low approach, runway 030, Foxtrot 26.
Hotel Echo Lima Oscar, Cardiff Tower, clear to enter controlled airspace, on track to Cowbridge, VFR, number of altitude 1,500 feet, Cardiff QNH 1009.
Hello, copy, be requested, out of 1,500 feet, Cardiff QNH 1009, Lima Oscar.
To Lima Oscar, VFR, on track to Cowbridge.
VFR, direct track to Cowbridge, to Lima Oscar.
Lima Oscar, lead back is correct, full left Cardiff Cowbridge, just to the Cardiff 25 degrees at 8 knots.
Call with all descending to Cowbridge, to Lima Oscar. Foxtrot 26, go around.
Echo Oscar, Roger, right hand circuit, runway 30 VFR, number of height 1,200 feet, QFU 10.
Oscar, Indian, Euro Oscar, that's understood. Squawk 7000, continue with Tremorfa, and the wind at Cardiff 2408 knots. Cheers.
Jersey 5 Golf Tango, Cardiff.
5 Golf Tango, go ahead.
Jersey 5 Golf Tango, I notice you haven't yet pushed. Hold position, taking hold position, could be one taxiing behind you shortly.
Okay, hold position.
Kilo runway 30, okay for takeoff, so send 240 degrees 7 knots.
Okay, we'll take runway 30, Jersey 8, Papa Kilo.
Flight 1, cross runway 30, traffic light 1, traffic light 3, traffic light 1, then hold on the traffic, hold on the road edge, south of taxi 1, on the taxi shortly. Roger, Tower, Flight 1, crossing traffic light 3, traffic light 1, hold on traffic light 1 when we get there. Tango plus 1, cross runway 30, Golf Tobacco 1, proceed Echo 2.
So we'll miss one Thomson, but we'll get the other one. Yeah, well, the one will miss. No, because the one will miss will be that one. So, because we've got the Paris flight at 1:05, nothing far right.
Trans 9411, runway 30, clear for takeoff, so send 270 degrees 7 knots.
Clear takeoff, runway 30, Trans 941.
Sound 339 Alpha, establish Charlotte 30. 239 Alpha, go tank, continue approach runway 30, so between 270 degrees 7 knots. Continue approach, 39. Cardiff Tower, 1, radio check. Cardiff Tower, 5-1. We're positioned on stand 11. Oh, you can probably see us from the W. We're just going to remain here then until the aircraft lands. Alpha, vacate right at Bravo, taxi stand 13. Right at Bravo, stand 13, 2039, Alpha.
Right, 2, permission to cross runway 30, traffic light 3, traffic light 1, hold short of the apron north of traffic light 1. Over.
Flight 2, roger in cross runway 30, traffic light 3, vacate hold traffic light 1.
Bonzo, crossing 30, traffic light 3, and holding north of traffic light 1.
Five, Roger, proceed to Bravo 2. Fire Bravo 1 into runway 30.
Eastern Bio Bravo 1, into runway 30 for runway inspection, Bio 5.
Runway 1 to Victor, runway 30, clear to land, service wind 270 degrees, 7 knots. We are clear to land, runway 30, runway 1 to Victor.
Delta, re-entering runway 30 for runway inspection, 55.
Runway 1 to Victor, vacate right to Bravo, taxi stand 12.
Vacate via Bravo, stand 12, runway 1 to Victor.
Aero 6 circular time strength 5, public speed of far 1 bow departure, not above altitude 1,500 feet on the Cardiff QNH 1009, score 3640.
Cleared Wembo, VFR not above 1500 on 1009, squawking 3640, Aero 6.
Yes, that's correct. We're already holding point at south runway 30 departures. Course is a helicopter just starting off on the south side by Golf.
Good afternoon, Qatar 323, 11.5 miles to service runway 30.
Tower 323, Cardiff Tower, continue approach runway 30, service winds 250 degrees at 7 knots.
We'll continue approach runway 30, Qatar 323.
Qatar 223, runway 30, clear to land, service wind 260 degrees, 8 knots.
Clear to land, runway 30, Qatar 323.
Golf Tilly Roman, confirm we're squawking 3655, sir.
Confirm that 3655, Golf Kilo Romeo.
Sorry, 323, vacate right at Bravo, taxi stand 766, follow me so you can follow us.
Vacate Bravo and stand pressure, sorry.
Golf Tilly Roman, Connor, snap on crescent contact Cardiff radar, frequency 119.15. Contact Cardiff 119.150, Golf Kilo Romeo.
If I do want the Qatari jet has landed, like to enter on backtrack, slow backtrack.
Please flight to Cardiff Tower, that's approved.
Please flight to entry, runway 30.
Kestrel 51 Lima Victor, established on ILS, runway 30.
Kestrel 5 Victor, Cardiff Tower 30, clear to land, surface winds 290 degrees at 9 knots.
Clear to land, runway 30, Kestrel 51 Lima Victor.
And Kestrel 5 Victor, trapping information. Helicopters just holding north with the 30 final approach over the airfield.
This is perfect, thank you.
Cardiff Tower, good afternoon, Vueling 12 Yankee Quebec.
Vueling 1 Yankee Quebec, Cardiff Tower.
Vueling 12 Yankee Quebec, Airbus 320, stand 12, information Mike, we are ready to copy clearance for Alicante.
Vueling 1 Yankee Quebec, clear to Alicante, X-Small 1 Alpha, departure, squawk 2160.
We are clear to Alicante via flight plan, route X-Small 1 Alpha, departure, squawk 2160, Vueling 12 Yankee Quebec.
That's correct.
Got a clean cross behind the landing and back to our visual with the fixed-wing taxiing there, East Flight 2.
AMO 68, hold position at hotel, helicopter just landed south side. Kestrel 51 Lima Victor, vacate right to Echo, taxi stand 10.
Vacate to the right by Echo, taxi stand 10, Kestrel 51 Lima Victor.
Gulf Coast Sierra is departing orbit, right base 30 now.
Gulf Coast Sierra, roger, put file number 1.
With the final Gulf Coast Sierra.
Aero 60, report right base. Wilco, fire 2 tower.
Gulf Coast Sierra, final 30.
Gulf Coast Sierra, roger, continue.
Continue.
Hello, Vueling 76 Lima, we are 5 miles on final, runway 30. Very much set, Vueling 76 Lima, can attack, continue approach. Continue, 76 Lima. 32 Yankee, runway 30, clear to land, surface winds 280 degrees, 12 knots.
Jersey 6, mate, Yankee, vacate right to Bravo, taxi stand 17.
Right, Bravo 17, Yankee.
Vueling 72 X-ray Lima, runway 30, clear to land, surface winds 260 degrees, 10 knots.
Good to land, 30, Vueling 76 Lima.
Vueling 72 X leaving, vacate right Echo, taxi stand 11.
Via right Echo, taxiing stand 11, Vueling 76 Lima. Board here, Foxtrot is holding at hotel, chest complete, ready for departure.
Number 1200 is Foxtrot, fire hotel, line up and wait runway 30.
Fire hotel, line up, wait, runway 30, number 1 to Foxtrot.
November 121 Juliet Foxtrot, right turn runway 30, clear takeoff, surface wind 280 degrees, 11 knots.
Clear takeoff runway 30 with a right turn out, November 121 Juliet Foxtrot.
Jack 21 via hotel and Seneca full back outside of at your discretion, it's runway 30. Papa Mike India, thank you for an orbit, public conditions remain with the power station.
Very good afternoon to you. This is the Qatar A324 Heavy, we're on stand 7, requesting clearance to Doha.
Qatar A324 Cardiff, good afternoon. You're cleared to Doha. It'll be a Brecken 1 Alpha departure, squawk 4763.
Brecken 1 Alpha departure on 30, squawk 4767, confirm.
4763, the squawk.
4763, Qatar A324, thank you.
Qatar A324, the readback is correct. You've got a slot of 1505.
No.
Cardiff Tower, hello again, it's the Qatar A324 Heavy, runway bus 35900, stand 7, QNH1008, request push and start.
Qatar A324 Cardiff Tower, push and start is approved off stand 7. X-ray is current for QNH 1007 hectopascals, runway in use is 30.
Runway in use 30, QNH 1007, and we're clear for the push and start off stand 7, Qatar A324. Qatar A324 Heavy, request taxi.
Qatar A324 taxi holding point Alpha 2 for runway 30.
Holding point Alpha 2, runway 30, Qatar A324.
Qatar A324, when you're ready, you clear takeoff runway 30. Surface wind is 230 degrees, 12 knots. Report rolling.
Wilco, when ready, clear takeoff runway 30 on advance rolling, Qatar 324.
324, contact Cardiff radar 125.850. Cheerio.
125.850, Qatar 324 Heavy. Thanks for your help, good day.
Eurowings 5690 Cardiff. Good afternoon. Runway 30, you are clear to land. Surface wind is 230 degrees, 12 knots.
Clear to land, runway 30, we are 5690.
Degrees, 12 knots. Eurowings 5690, vacate right, Bravo, taxi stand number 10.
Bravo, stand 10, Eurowings 5690.
Flight 7618, roger, behind the Airbus A320 on the Bravo taxiway, taxi holding point Alpha 2 for runway 30.
Yeah, it's